carbon, then all the oil and conventional natural gas is the all combined in ocean sediments, methane hydrous from the condition, continental slope as exterior and other metals sink to the ocean floor and decompose in the silt. Methane trapped within the sediments has the ability to cement the losses sediments into place and keep the continental shelf stable. However, if the water becomes vapor, the methane hydrous breakdown. This causes underwater and release natural gas. In permafrost, the methane hydrous from a bodies of water freeze and water hummus create individual cakes around this methane molecular. The gas trapped in a portion and liter of water is combined at much as higher distance that is would be in United States as the ice gets through the methane escape. Global warming, the current period of climate change influence the release of methane hydrous from both permafrost and ocean sedimentary layers. There is a very vast amount of potential energy stored in methane hydrous. However, because they are such chronic formation breaking down and spreading the evolutionary condition around them, methods for extracting them are deployed with extreme precision, drilling and transporting. Natural gas is measured in normal cubic meters of standard cubic feet. In 2009, the United States Energy Information Administration estimated that the world proven natural gas reserves are around 8 trillion cubic feet. Most of the reserves are in the Middle East, with though 2011 are 40% of total oil reserve. Russia has the second highest amount of proven reserve in other 2011. The United States contains just other 4% of all natural gas reserves. According to the EIA, total oil of the data natural gas 2010 was a trillion year feet. In that years, the United States consumed a little more than a percent most nation. Natural gas is most commonly extracted by drilling vertically from the earth's surface from a single vertical drilling. The well is limited to gas reserve in farmers. Hydraulic fracturing, horizontal drilling, and acetylene are processed to expand the amount of a gas that our oil can access and thus increase its productivity. However, this practice can have negative environmental function. Hydraulic fracturing or fracking is a process that splits open rock formation with high pressure. Stream of water, cements, and piston pops open the rock so is allowed to gas escape and be stored on transported. However, fracking requires high quantities of water which can dramatically reduce an area's water table and negatively impact habits. The process of products highly toxic and currently radioactive, not wastewater that if mismanaged can leak an underground water source used from drinking, bathing, and external other use. In addition, fracking can cause micro earthquakes. Most of these communities are far too tiny to become filled of the surface, but some ancient environmental trends on